Everybody here, Rich with Kriete Truck Center in Stevens Point. Got here one of our 2026 Mack Pinnacles, heavy spec. Stock number PI020196. Got a 445 horsepower MP8 engine, 1850 torque. Mack mDrive, 12-speed transmission. 46,000 pound Meritor rear end with air ride suspension. 14.6 thousand pound front axle. We got a Joe's 24-inch sliding fifth wheel, no tilt. Wet kit installed, PTO ready. 225-inch wheelbase, 321 gear ratio. Got a preferred interior, Air Force gray color, full leather 4-way air seat from Sears. Got tilt and telly on the steering wheel. Take a look at our website, KrieteTrucks.com, for more Volvo, Mack, Hino, Isuzu, Auto Car products.